Imagine a world without vibrant coral reefs. Their future hangs in a delicate balance. Coral reefs are Earth's underwater rainforests. They support over 25% of all marine species. These vital ecosystems face unprecedented threats today. Climate change causes devastating coral bleaching events. The Great Barrier Reef saw massive loss in 2016, but scientists are fighting back tirelessly now. New strategies offer a glimmer of hope ahead. Ocean temperatures are steadily rising globally. This stresses corals, expelling their algae. Corals turn white, a process called bleaching. Without algae, corals starve and eventually die. The 2016 event devastated huge reef sections. Another major bleaching occurred in 2017 too. Scientists explore how corals can adapt quickly. This involves assisted evolution techniques. Researchers identify heat-tolerant coral genotypes. They selectively breed these resilient individuals. Australian Institute of Marine Science leads efforts. They aim for more robust, resilient coral populations. This speeds up natural adaptation processes significantly. It's a race against global warming's swift pace.
Another method is active coral restoration.
Coral gardening grows fragments in nurseries. Marine biologists cultivate species like staghorn coral. These fragments are then outplanted onto reefs. The Coral Restoration Foundation leads this work. They've restored vast areas in Florida and Caribbean. Microfragmentation speeds up coral growth dramatically. One small fragment can grow quickly in months. These efforts build super reefs for tomorrow. They blend science with hands-on conservation work. Future reefs might look different yet thrive. They will host diverse, resilient marine life. Our actions today determine their stunning existence. Protecting these ecosystems remains critically important. Every small step contributes to a brighter future. We can still save these vital underwater worlds. Coral reefs face immense, pressing challenges now, yet human ingenuity offers powerful solutions today. Assisted evolution and restoration provide real hope. We must support these critical conservation efforts. A vibrant, thriving future for reefs is possible. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.